I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are watching me for the first time and if you like what you watch, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a JOMSO Saree review. Now this is not a sponsored video. Without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. So this is how it came. This is how JOMSO does its packaging. Really good. Now let me just open this up. This is the saree I ordered. It's a organza green handwork saree. This is how it looks. It came in the plastic cover. Now let me open this up. This is the saree. This is my favorite color, and I was not expecting to get something like this. So this is the partywear saree I ordered. And now first let's see the blouse fabric. So they have provided this a dark plain organza silk fabric. It's see-through, so you'll have to get a lining attached. With that, they have included 2 pieces of fabric. Now, okay, this fabric, which has like beautiful embroidery handwork design, and there are green rhinestones stuck, very beautifully made. The design is so clear. And the feel of the fabric is also very soft and nice. I am really surprised. And there's another fabric piece which has this, and there's this embroidery design. So this is going to be your neck design. My god, I just can't believe what I got. So again, there are rhinestones stuck here. And the fabric of this saree is organza silk. And so here's the saree. It's super lightweight saree, and all throughout the body of the saree there's this floral design with rhinestones, and the bottom has a beautiful design. This is how the bottom of the saree looks. So it's all same. It's the same design throughout the saree, but very beautiful, guys. And so let's see the pallu. So again, the pallu also has the same design. But what's more beautiful is the latkans. So they have given this tassels on the pallu, so it's going to really look nice. I am really surprised to get this kind of a saree. The quality is on point, and I would like to rate it 5 out of 5 because it's such a beautiful saree. The color is so nice and different. The fabric is very good. The latkans are so beautiful. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, I'm going to give the link in the description box. It's very easy to shop here, guys. You just have to go to their website or order, or you can directly WhatsApp them and place an order. And there is cash on delivery option, and they ship worldwide with an extra shipping charges. And if you get a defective product, or if you are not happy with the product, it's very easy to return. What you'll have to do is you will have to mail them, and they're going to accept your return request. The price of the saree, the original price of the saree was 3860 or something, and the offer price was 1890, which I think is a great deal. If you like today's video, if you did, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you want me to review on any of their other products, share the link in my comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.